Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I am bringing it in. We're wrapping it up for the month of July, and it is time for the project share for July's year of the make-along. If this is the first year of the make-along video you are seeing for the entire year of 2025, every month we have had a different make-along that focuses on using our stash. So the focus for the month of July, which ended up being perfect because it is 100 degrees again today, as of filming, was single skein projects. It's time to keep those projects off of our laps, and that's exactly what we have been focusing on for this month. So I will pop in a picture here to show you the progress that I made on my Christmas socks, which was the goal for this. It will not be very much. I am pre-filming the intro and the outro for this, but I can tell you based on when I am filming this, there will not be very much progress on these socks. I had a lot of other projects to work on, and I did also set the personal goal of finishing 4 projects before I could cast something new on. Unfortunately, that kind of ran into getting these started. So that is where I am on my Christmas socks, but you guys did a much better job than I. So let's see what you guys worked on for the month of July. So I would like to take just a moment to thank you guys so much for playing along with me this year in trying to work through our stashes. Think of our stashes with, fresh lenses and new eyes. And thank you so much for allowing me to be a part of you guys growing and expanding as knitters and crocheters as well. It really means a lot to me that you guys are letting me into your process as well. And it's something that has really made me happy this year. And I have so loved watching so many of you guys trying new things, trying new yarns, expanding and learning, and just having fun with the art of yarn crafting this year. These projects are just spectacular. I love how with a simple goal, all of you guys want to take off and run and really just dive in here. It's wonderful to see all of the projects that you guys complete every single month. We did have a lot of socks, and trust me, I 100% understand that was my goal too. So simple, easy, and not too hot to carry around with you. Okay, you guys, so y'all once again just clearly knocked it out of the park. You did a fantastic job, and I am so excited to see what you guys have been working on for the month of August now. We are on to August. It is time for the cotton projects. I am excited. I have lots of things to work on for here too. Hopefully, I will do better for the month of August than I did for the month of July. Anyway, I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. Thank you guys so much for playing along. If you would like to play along for the month of August, I will leave the video and the iCard as well as in the description box down below for August Make Along. Bye, guys.